Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable autoscaling in AWS SageMaker, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable autoscaling in AWS SageMaker, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the SageMaker service from the Services menu. In the SageMaker dashboard, locate and click on the Endpoints section. Identify the endpoint for which you want to disable autoscaling. Select the endpoint by clicking on its name to open the endpoint details. Within the endpoint details, find the Scaling tab. Click on the Scaling tab to view the autoscaling configuration. You will see the current scaling policies applied to your endpoint. To disable autoscaling, click on the Action button that allows you to manage scaling policies. In the Scaling Policy Management interface, identify the policies listed. Select the policies that you wish to remove. Click on the option to delete the selected scaling policies. Confirm the deletion in the pop-up dialog. Once you have deleted the policies, autoscaling will be disabled for your chosen endpoint. To ensure the changes take effect, refresh the Endpoint Details page. Review the scaling settings to confirm that autoscaling is no longer active. Your endpoint is now configured to operate without autoscaling. Make sure to monitor the endpoint performance, as manual adjustments may be necessary in the future. That concludes the steps to disable autoscaling in AWS SageMaker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.